Hi and welcome back to Caliac Studios. My name is Malay and today I want to share with you 3 do's and don'ts that will make your videos really look professional and shine. Yeah. So what are the mistakes that you usually do? I'll come to those. But what you should be doing is what I want to talk to you first. Okay. So the first thing is lighting. Good lighting can make a world of a difference. Yeah. So natural light most often is flattering, so try filming yourself near a window or something which is a open natural light source. Yeah, if there is not enough natural light in your house, you can probably invest in an artificial light, which is a small ring light or a soft box, to avoid harsh shadows and create an uneven kind of glow. Yeah. The second most important thing that you should be doing after lighting is dress up. Don't wear shabby clothes. Try to look a little more sharp. Yeah. So dress for success and also for comfort. You shouldn't feel extremely uncomfortable in the clothes that you're wearing when you're shooting. Yeah. So choose your outfits that make you feel confident as well as comfortable on camera. Use solid colors, they really tend to work best, as busy patterns can be distracting. So avoid bright whites or very dark blacks, which can also sometimes be, cause an issue with the exposure. So the next is mind your background. Have a very clean, crisp, uncluttered background. Yeah, because it tries to keep the focus on you, who is the main subject, and not like 10 other things which are in the frame. Yeah, consider using a simple backdrop or just tidying up the space a little bit. Yeah, or use a green screen. Yeah, now I want to talk to you about what you should not be doing. Yeah, so the most important thing is do not neglect your audio. Okay, so 60% of your film is your audio. If your audio is not good, nobody's gonna listen to you. Yeah, so it is very important, especially in a video where you want to explain things to your audiences, you want to sell your products or you want to sell your services. Explain to your audiences that what service are you into. Your audio is the most important element. Yeah, sometimes people might switch on just might play the video and they might just be listening. Your audio has to be that good. Poor audio quality can ruin otherwise which is really well shot video. Yeah, so think of it, you have beautiful shots, but the audio is not great. Invest in a lav mic or like probably a USB mic or any microphone that can help you, and try to keep it as close to you as possible. Yeah, so lav mics are usually collar mics which go on the collar, so they are also called as lavalier mics or collar mics. You can have a boom, which for me I've placed it here, which is a little away than my liking. I would have rather had it somewhere very close so that you can get a very crisp, deep sound, but even this is fine. And the next type of mic is your boom mic. Sometimes you try to place it from the top. So these are the different types of microphones. You can also connect a mic to your computer through a USB. So yeah, so these are a few different types of connections that you can have. Also, the next very important thing is do not forget to practice. Make sure you have your script or what you're going to say beforehand. Yeah, rehearse what you're going to say beforehand to avoid stumbling or fumbling over your words or looking nervous on camera. A few practice runs can really help you deliver your content smoothly and extremely confidently. Yeah, so also the next thing is don't overthink it. Like, I know when you are rehearsing, you might get carried away. Oh, I should include this, I should include that. Oh, this might be a great point, that might be a great point. Try to keep your message short and crisp and sweet. Yeah, so sometimes people get very bored with like really long presentations or long videos. So while it's important to look presentable, remember your content is what truly matters. Focus on creating engaging and valuable videos, and do not get too hung up on minor imperfections in your probably appearance, your background, your camera, your light, your I won't say microphone, or because I would say, please have a great microphone. It's okay even if you shoot on your phones, try to shoot with whatever is there, but please make sure that you have a great microphone, so at least by that you are capturing the audio very well. Yeah, so these few tips and tricks will really help you create amazing YouTube videos or any form of video content that you're trying to shoot. Yeah, so YouTube videos can be fun as well, so try and keep it fun and engaging, and don't try and go into like minor imperfections and all of that. Those are sometimes okay as well. Yeah, so with this I am gonna say bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to us, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.